Volkswagen. Beetle Custom, and over here it's like a Thunderbird and the Studebaker right here. I like the red one right here. Wow, this is really, I don't know, it's like Bel Airs and Mopars. I was hoping to see at least some European stuff. It's a Volkswagen Golf right here. You know, your typical West German car. I always appreciate the size of it, and it would be almost better if it was right side drive. It's got this green truck. It's a Power Wagon. Over there's a Datsun. Some Japanese stuff. And these things are huge. It's like the 40s equivalent of like a big like Ram truck. It's even got like the winch on the front of it. I love this Jeep. It's got a bunch of, I love the star in the front, but it's got a bunch of World War II equipment in the back, like a helmet and a dash, I think. And this one's really cool. It's a Chevette coming in over there. The thing I love more than anything is K-Trucks. Since this one is registered in Maine, I don't know if I thought K-Trucks were illegal to drive in Maine. But maybe since one was driving a short distance, I don't know if it counts. I love the color on this Chevelle or Corvette. Never mind, my bad. I also love the Pacer over there. One of my favorite cars. Now that I've watched the Minecraft movie, whenever I see, I don't remember if it was a Trans Am or a Camaro he was driving, but Garrett the Garbage Man had like one of these in the movie that was red. I can't stop thinking about that. I love the basic color scheme on these things. It's really cool. Impala. Oh, that's a 59, I think. Oh, there's a, looks like a Chevette coming in. Chevelle, I think. It's, oh, maybe that is the Chevette. Yeah, that's the Chevette, I think. Right there. No, I don't know. Great back, he's doing great. Is this coming up? It's like the tallest F-100 I've ever seen. What in the? It's the shortest too. What in the world? Yeah, this thing's speedy. Cool little truck. Like there's like a mint-colored Dodge Dart and like a Coronet or something, or no, Caprice I think waiting up there. Oh, they're both Dodge Darts actually.